बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। In this lecture, I will discuss the important concepts of combinations with examples. Combinations means random selections of objects, and it is used to select the objects at random. The order of selection is not important in combinations. That is why AB is equal to BA in combinations, and that is why 2C2 is just one way. NCR is used for the combinations of R distinct objects from N distinct objects, where N is greater or equal to R. Example, find how many 4-digit letters can be selected from the 7 letters of the word surface. So we have 7 letters, N is 7 and R is 4. Therefore, according to this formula, we have to write 7C4. So there are 35 ways to select 4 letters from 7 letters of the word surface without restrictions. Do not use NCR for the repeated or identical objects. For example, like in this case, the letter E is repeated, so never use NCR for these type of questions. Well, use NCR to select R distinct objects from N distinct objects, and NCN to select all distinct objects. NC1, use this to select any one from N different objects. 1C1 means to select one particular. 2C1 is very important. This means to select either from two distinct objects but not both. Like either one from both distinct objects but not both. 2C2 means to select both distinct objects. 2C0 means to select neither from two distinct objects. Important terms used in combinations: at least or minimum, they both means greater equal. At most or maximum, they both means lesser equal. The word and or the word both means multiplication. The word or and the word either means addition. At least or minimum. Methods. There are two methods to solve these type of questions. Number one, make all possible selections. Number two, subtract the options from which are not required from the total. Example, given there are 6 women and 5 men, we have to select 4 people if there are at least one woman. So, at least one woman means, according to method number 1, we can have one woman with 3 men, because altogether we have to select 4 people. Then 2 with 2, 3 women with 1 man, and 4 women with no man. So this is method number 1. We need 1, 2, 3 or all 4 women, and this option is not here in this list. So in method 2, we have to subtract this option from total. This is method 2. At least one woman means total minus this option, because this option is not in this list. No woman, all men. So total means 11C4, because there are altogether 11 people and we have to select 4, so 11C4. No woman means 6C0, and obviously when we have no woman, so we will have all men, so 5C4. This is method 2. In method 1, you just need to make all possible selections. Then this will be 6C1 into 5C3, or means plus. This will be 6C2 into 5C2, and so on. Next, requirement, at least two women. Same question, we need at least two women. So we can have two women, three women, or four women. And these numbers are not in the requirement. See, the values of R here 2, 3, or 4, and R always starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two numbers are not in this list or in this list. So we have to subtract these two numbers from total according to method 2. So total minus no woman, 1 woman. So 6C0 for no women and 5C4 for all men, because altogether we need 4 people. So 6C1, 1 woman, and 5C3 means 3 men from 5. Next example, we have 5 students and 7 adults and 4 children. S means students, A means adults, and C means children. Requirement, we have to select 6 people. 6 people are selected. Six. Since I have categorized this as students, adults, and children, so this should be people. 6 people are selected, and the condition is there must be at least one from each, and there must be more A than C, more adults than children. So there are two restrictions. Number one, at least one from each, and number two, A greater than C. So, and altogether we need 6. So we can have these options: one student, 3 adults, and 2 children. See, adults are greater than children, and we have at least one from each. So this will be 5C1, 7C3, 4C2. Again, we have one student with 4 adults and 1 children. Now we can have 2 students with 3 adults and 1 children. Then 3 students, 2 adults, and 1 children. See, this condition and this condition, both conditions are satisfied in all these options. So you have to list all possible ways according to the given conditions. Combinations for making the groups. Method. Follow the given order for making the groups. Like, what if 11 children are divided into groups of 6, 2, and 3? Then make the groups according to this order. Like, first you have to make the group of 6 children from 11, so 11C6. Then you have to make a group of 2 children from remaining 5, so 5C2. Then 3 children from 3, so 3C3. So make the groups in this given order. Combinations for sharing objects. Method, always use factorial for sharing objects. For example, you have to share 9 objects into 3 students in odd numbers. So first person, like suppose we have 3 students ABC. So first student can get 1 object, second can get 1 object, and third can get 7 objects. And this order is random. So you have to multiply this thing with 3 factorial over 2 factorial. There are 3 things. So 3 ways, so 3 factorial, and 2 are repeated 2 factorials. Here you just need to multiply with this with 3 factorial because all 3 are different. The example is here. So 9 different fruit pies are to be divided or shared between 3 people so that each person gets an odd number of pies. Find the number of ways this can be done. So you have to use factorial because you are sharing things. So 117. This is the first possible way. You can divide in odd number in this way between 3 people. So 117, 3 factorial over 2 factorial. So 9c1 for this, 8c1 for this, and 7c7 for this. And the answer of this is 3. 135 is also shared in odd number. So you need to multiply your answer with 6. 3 factorial means 6. So first 9c1, then write 8c3, and then write 5c5. This is the another way of dividing 9 different fruit pies between 3 people in an odd number. 9c3, 6c3, 3c3. You don't need to multiply this with anything. 3 factorial over 3 factorial is same. You can leave this as it is. When all are same, there is just one way. Combinations for repeated objects.